Hey guys, Super Gadget Guy here. Today I'll be unboxing a brand new video card I got. It's made by EVGA. This is the GeForce GTX 590. And my old video card, which is a Sapphire 4870 X2, plays pretty good, except when you want to play Battlefield 3, it gets a little sluggish from time to time. So here it is. This is the classified edition. This is the one with the 3 GB of GDDR5 memory. Supports physics and DirectX 11. PCI Express 2.0. So key features: DirectX 11 support, NVIDIA CUDA technology, NVIDIA PhysicX, NVIDIA Pure Video, Quad NVIDIA SLI ready. I don't think I have a power supply that can support it. NVIDIA 3D Vision, Surround ready, PCI Express 2.0, 3 dual-link DVI HDCP capable connection, 1 mini DisplayPort connection, OpenGL 4.1. And this offers the EVGA lifetime warranty. So, pretty cool. So let's get this puppy open and maybe install it to play some Battlefield 3. So when you open it, the flap here shows, please do not return this to the store. EVGA offers direct customer service. Depends on the product purchase, a limited 2-year, limited 3-year, or limited lifetime warranty is provided. But you have to register this product within 30 days. So gotta remember to send me the paperwork. Slides out. It's in the black styrofoam layered thing. So as a user's guide on how to install it. Pretty simple. Here's the adapter. Requires 2 8-pin power supply connection. Make sure you have that. A driver software disk with the EVGA badge, powered by EVGA. This thing pops out. Attention, please allow the graphic card to cool for a minimum 2 minutes after the operation before remove it from your system. It's going to be extremely hot. So there's a mini DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. It's pretty nicely sealed. A power splitter in case your power supply does not come with a 2 8-pin connection. You can split from 1 8-pin connection to 2 8-pin connection. This is DVI to HDMI adapter. One of these. You get DVI to VGA adapter. Get one of these. Another power splitter. 8-pin to 8-pin. And one massive graphic card. Oh, maybe there's an easy way to open it. Okay. Wow, this is heavy. So here it is. Oh, it's a massive, massive piece of card. It's going to take up 2 slots like any other sort of design. And this is basically the fastest card on a single PCB board that NVIDIA offers. It's basically a single board SLI solution. They have two GTX 580 processor, one on each side. I don't know if you can see from this angle. There's one right here behind this one. And there's another on this end. It's really massive board. It's a little sort of slow down version of the 580 they put in it just to match the power requirement, because this thing is going to be humming along massively. I choose this one over the ATI solution because of the noise. This product was announced like 30 days after the ATI 6990, but was delayed because NVIDIA wants to have a better cooling solution. So from the reviews I've been reading, this is supposed to be a lot quieter than the ATI. So the back, of course, you have 3 DVI port and 1 mini display port. So you can hook up 3 monitors to it. So currently I only have 1. So 1 will do for now until I can buy 2 more and have a surround vision, whatever, setup. So here it is. I can't wait to get this installed. And here in the back is the 2 8-pin power connection. So I hope my power supply can take it. My power supply is 880 watt, 850 watt power supply. Can't wait to install and fire up Battlefield. And let me know if you guys have any questions. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please post in the comment section below. I will make sure to answer them as soon as I can.